Ni CG man ti question ninyo. Ilang taon ka na na sige man ko na man amoy ang Ingles. Ilang taon ka na kuno?
How old are you now? Cindy?
I'm 12 years old.
Oh.
12 years old na.
Ano ang gusto mong maging paglaki mo?
What do you like?
Ayusin niyo ang English niya may again.
What do you like when
Sige,
you
go.
grow up?
Nang lain gusto. What do you like to be or what do you want to be when you grow up is correct.
Yes.
Sagot na eh.
I don't know yet.
Hindi pa daw niya alam.
Still, ano tayo?
Undecided.
Still undecided.
Yes, she's still young to decide.
She's
She's still looking for what she likes, what she
don't know what
loves to do in the future.
because she's still in elementary, di ba?
No, she just graduated.
Oh, yun. Still graduating.
Ano, graduate na siya. Ganito.
Ay, tapos na.
Ganito ang graduate.
Ganda ng uniform. O, di mag
Yes.
first year ka na ngayon.
First place siya.
First year.
First
Ang
place.
galing nga, ano?
Pictorial making contest. Pictorial writing. Sige, question nyo pa ng last. Question nyo.
Sure na ka?
Saan ka mag-aaral? Kung naman? Saan ka mag-aaral ng high school?
When will you go to school? When nalipato ko nito.
Correct grammar man siya, yung where will. Pero yung isa, medyo sumablay. Where will you
When
go?
do you like to go
Tama
to
man ang grammar.
school?
Where will you go to school?
Oh.
What school will you study? Yun ang perfect go.
What will you study?
Where school will you study?
What will school?
Where school will you study?
Where school will you study?
Correct.
In Benjamin School.
That's a nice school. It sounds great. Tapos sabihin nyo, mag-aral kang mabuti.
You study hard, ako Study hard.
Di ba? Paano kayo
Don't
makita?
have yet a boyfriend. A boy. Study first.
Of course. She's just 13 years old, 12 years old.
I forgot.
Last question. Ang question niya sa kanya is, gusto mo bang mamasyal balang araw sa Pugon Sili, Aguilar, Pangasinan, Philippines?
Do you like to go to Pugon Sili? If you are now, do you like to go to take your vacation in the Philippines?
Okay. Perfect. Someday,
Someday.
Yes.